How to be a cash-rocketing super affiliate. Have you heard of the term super affiliate elsewhere? Actually, we bet you already know what it is. Super affiliates are greater affiliates. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's an interesting job selling other people's products and earn commissions for yourself. The internet has been growing so wide and large in a short period of time, and there have been millions and millions of people trying to jump on the internet billion-dollar market. People are starting to sort their way of beginning an online business. Yet, it's a really tough job to accomplish if you're just a beginner. There are a lot to digest, but it certainly doesn't mean that you can't succeed with it. In fact, it is very easy. Earning big money on the internet is entirely possible. Here are just a few examples of successful affiliates and affiliate programs. Cashring, top affiliate earns $5,000 per month. Friend Finder, pays out more than $1 million in commissions to its affiliates every month. Matt Holler, NPC newsletter subscriber earns $10,000 per month with a hip-hop affiliate site. Deborah Casey, student of the Super Affiliate Handbook by Rosalind Gardner who earns $15,000 every month. Jim Cockrum, affiliate selling the Super Affiliate Handbook made $1,000 in one day. Rosalind Gardner, she regularly earns $50,000 plus month just from her affiliate marketing efforts. Yuan Chia, an affiliate marketer who also regularly earns more than $10,000 every month. Now you will probably think, how can I be like them, and what should I do? The answer, meet the basic requirements for a super affiliate, domain name, hosting, website, and sign up for the appropriate affiliate programs. Basically, affiliate marketing is as easy as 1 to 2 to 3. 1. You join the affiliate program and place links on your site or in your newsletter. 2. Your visitor clicks that link and buys a product, service or fills out a form. 3. You earn a commission for sales or leads generated through your links. And without a website, you can hardly sell them at all, unless you really plan on printing out flyers and distributing them to the neighborhood. How do super affiliates earn a steady income and grow bigger and bigger every month? It mentions one of the most important factor, opt-in list. If you are going to learn one thing from this, remember that the fastest way of making money with affiliate marketing is through your own list of subscribers. If you have started building your own opt-in list, great. If not, you need to start now. To have an opt-in list, you will need to register for an autoresponder account. The better autoresponders are Aweber and GetResponse. You will be provided with a script that can be easily copy-pasted on your web page to have an opt-in form so that people can subscribe to your list. There are so many things you can do once you have an opt-in list, some of them. Follow up on your affiliate sales. You can set your autoresponder to send a newsletter/e-zine every few days to provide your subscribers with useful information. Of course, integrate your affiliate link for a certain product whenever you can on the right time. Offer time-sensitive bonuses. When you are selling your affiliate product, you can always include a bonus or free stuffs along, a report, an ebook, anything that suits. People who buy from you in that limited time will get the bonus you offered, a good incentive, isn't it? Pre-selling/back-end selling. You've probably seen this being mentioned everywhere, but really, there are too many lazy affiliates around that don't practice it. After you sell an affiliate product to your customer, it doesn't mean that you won't need to bother about him/her anymore. In fact, every single customer is your source of gold mine. Not only can they become your repeat customers but also working partners in the future. Don't make it sound too hard for you. For most super affiliates, doing these become their everyday habit, as easy as breathing, and they can do it anytime they want, anywhere they are. Once you have a huge opt-in list, the send button on your autoresponder will be your ever-needed money machine. When you need cash, pick a good affiliate product, endorse it to your mailing list, and that's all. Wake up the next day with all your affiliate earnings. Other than your own opt-in list, you can definitely leverage on other people's list, by purchasing solo ads from e-zines or joint venturing partnering. A solo ad is an independent, single email advertisement you can buy in e-zines, and they normally allow up to 300 to 600 words for your ad copy. Joint venturing, although doesn't seem as appropriate because you don't have your own product to be offered as an affiliate marketer, you can definitely have an ad swap with other internet marketers, which is to endorse each other's solo ad to your own subscribers. If there is a huge difference between the numbers of opt-ins, you just need to endorse the solo ad of the other internet marketer a few more times, until both of you are equal. When there is time, focus more on creating websites to endorse the other affiliate programs and build your list. It's just that simple, a concept which is repeated over and over again, and grow more and more each day. Successful affiliates work harder and smarter, while broke affiliates hardly work at all. The super affiliate have their own domain names, hosting and websites. Carefully selects great products to promote. Consistently chooses to promote products which pays high commissions, or those which have a higher price. Knows the value of building highly targeted and highly responsive opt-in lists. Focus on improving and maximizing the activity/efficiency of each affiliate sale/campaign before thinking of moving to the next one. Find multiple affiliate programs to build multiple streams of income. Consistently work hard for more traffic and sales, while lowering any other costs of advertising. There are a lot of places for you to find great affiliate products you can sell. Here's a few of them: www.cj.com, www.clickbank.com, www.affiliateguide.com, www.affiliatemath.com. You can easily exceed the other 98% of affiliates, and become the 2% of super affiliates that are responsible for more than 80% of the sales for an affiliated product or program,